Well, I rode the side by side out to the desert to check out the, I think it's the Score 250. Anyway, they wouldn't let me go past here. I was hoping I could get up on top of that hill back there behind me and overlook the whole race, but they crossed the road right here, so couldn't get up there. But got some cool shots and cool stuff, so I'm pretty happy. Might try to sneak my way around the backside or something, staying off the race course, of course. See if I can get another vantage point. But it's been good. It's a beautiful day. Couldn't be more perfect. The side-by-side's running good. just freaking hauling. So it was a pretty fun day out there. Got to see quite a bit of, I just sat there for a couple hours on a course out in the middle of the desert. Didn't even see anybody else watching other than the corner guys. Got some pretty good shots of the race. The car did really well, and it was fun. Yeah, I even got to go rip around a little bit after that, away from the course and all. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.